Good morning, I'm Dr. Smith. What seems to be the problem?
Good morning, doctor. I have a stomachache, and I am feeling bloated.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For a couple of days.
Have you had any nausea?
To tell you the truth, I feel nauseous all the time.
Well, let me take a look. Does it hurt when I press here?
Oh yes, that hurt. The pain comes and goes.
I want to listen to your chest. Please breathe in and out slowly. Have you had a sore throat?
Not really. I suffered from asthma when I moved into a new house.
That may be the problem. Fume in new home can make people sick.
Really? I didn't know that. Do you think I have to be hospitalized?
I don't think it's necessary, but I'll know more after I see your test result.
Thank you for your help, doctor. I hope I will get well soon.